Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel. This is ThisisTinuola, and today I will be showing you how to get a natural glowy makeup, kind of no makeup look. So if you want to see, stay tuned. First thing first, you want to get your face moisturized. Of course, you want to wash your face and then moisturize your face, and of course your lips. So I will be using my lip balm. Getting your face moisturized. The first thing when you want to do your makeup is to prime your face. Right here. Oops. How are you all doing today? Like, I'm so excited. The weather is perfect. Just applying the primer on my face. Like, you're applying cream basically. The primer has a sunscreen, which is really good. You want to get a primer with sunscreen. That helps a lot. That is done. And the second thing is the foundation. This is my favorite beauty product, makeup beauty product. And I'm just going to use that. Not much, right? And a little bit more. Just a little bit more. Maybe just go around. Okay, let me come a little bit close and see what I'm doing. Yep. So, like, how do you guys like to apply your foundation? Do you like using brush or you like using foam? Like, I'm okay with both of them, but I just really like this brush. It makes it so smooth, so easy. Like, it's just effortless. Okay, we're almost done. If you have to choose that makeup brand that you can't do without using, it's certainly foundation for me. Like, it's definitely. Why on my face? Gosh, I was trying to make this scarf look cute and it's all over my face. So guys, I was thinking recently about procrastination as a whole. Like, it's just something that I know that a lot of people struggle with, including myself. Like, for the longest time, I procrastinate like crazy. You have no idea. Like, no, I actually procrastinated starting YouTube for 3 good years. Of course, like, I had my excuses, my reasons why I didn't start early, but looking back, I just feel like I could have started and it wouldn't have been bad, you know. But okay, yeah, we're getting there. Blending, yeah, that looks better. Okay, the third thing, so this right here, guys, is like the bomb. This is all you need for that glow. This is really what you need. I feel like the most important products that you just need for your face to look glowy and nice. Of course, you need to maintain your skin. Just your foundation, your eyebrow, you know, whatever you're going to use right there. And this, it does the job like perfectly. And look at it. Right here, and this part. I'm gonna put it here too. This right here, and this. So honestly, you don't need to be good in makeup to do this. It's just you playing around. Oh la la, like, can you see that? Like, right here, it's just natural and gloomy. I love this product. So play around. I love to play right there, coming along. I want the nose shiny. So guys, like, procrastination has been a thing for me. It's been something that I struggled with for the longest time, and it's still something that I feel like I'm still struggling with, but it's a lot better. Like, just looking at the causes of procrastination and some of the possible solutions would definitely help you a long way if you're someone that procrastinate like myself. For example, like, why do people procrastinate? That laziness is a huge cause of procrastination, and how can we go past that? Like, we have to divide the task, because when you feel like you have a lot of things to do, you're going to procrastinate them. So instead of you feeling lazy about this huge task in front of you, why don't you just, start bit by bit, do it bit by bit. Don't try to do everything at the same time. Just take your time and then it gets better, basically. That's one way to go about procrastination. Oh, I love this. Like, I really love this jobs, guys. It's such a good one. Almost done, but we're not done. So the reason why people procrastinate is lack of interest. If you need to do it, you need to do it. So reward yourself. If you accomplish this task today, I'm going to reward myself with this. It really helps you to boost your interest in anything that you really want to do. Well, like for example, you need to study and you don't feel like studying. What can you do? You need to study. So what you have to do in that situation is reward yourself. Like, if I study 5 hours this day, I will treat myself to a restaurant by the end of the week, or I would watch this video for 30 minutes. Try to incorporate those reward system in your study, in your whatever your daily activities that you find not so interesting, that you keep procrastinating even when you need to do it. Moving on, the next thing will be my lips, and I'll be using this lip gloss, Cafe au Lait. Are you wearing makeup? You're like, no, I woke up like this. Of course not. It's so natural. Like, I love it when my skin is able to breathe, and I just love what I'm wearing right now. So, brow pencil. So guys, like as I was saying about procrastination, the third reason why people procrastinate is distractions. Like, distractions are everywhere. Distractions don't have to be something that is bad. You can easily be distracted with anything that is away from your goal. Basically is a distraction, because when you're too distracted with so many activities, you just give up. You just have to procrastinate some things, and it's best for you to procrastinate the ones that are less important and the ones that are actually very important. Like, another list is a powder, just a little bit, nothing too obvious. Okay, and powder right there. Right there too. Okay, so I'm very satisfied with the results so far. Last on the list is mascara. Another reason why we procrastinate a lot, which is like the fourth thing, is accountability. Now, this is the most important one. For me, this has been the most important one. When you feel accountable for something, you want to put in your best. Like, for example, you're working and your boss is like, oh, you should do this task for the week. You would want to do it because you need to report to your boss, right? But once it comes to us, ourselves, because we're not accountable for whatever we need to do, we just leave it. Sometimes, like, I think of some certain things and I want to do them, but because I didn't tell anyone about them, I just keep it to myself, and I procrastinate those things because I feel like, well, I didn't tell anybody about it, nobody's gonna ask me, I'm not accountable to anyone, blah blah blah, like that. So I feel like accountability is one thing that is so important when it comes to procrastinating. Ever since I started having an accountability partner, it's been so big difference. Like I can definitely tell that I've improved when it comes to procrastination because of my accountability partner. You need an accountability partner. This can be friend, family, this can be a group of people. It doesn't have to be just one person. It's gonna be like your leader in any group that you belong in, community. It's can, just it can be even be online groups. Like just find that accountability partner that will cheer you up and keep you on your feet. Basically like remind you, for example, married people, it's easy for them, like you have your spouse to be accountable for you. For like parents also, it's easy for them because they have their kids to be accountable for them. They're like, oh mommy, you said you're going to get that car, when are you going to get a car? They have kids to keep them in conversation, to keep reminding them of the things they say they want to do. But for singles, we know we are not accountable. We know nobody cares. We just do our thing. We just do things anyhow. You have that person that will be like, oh, that will be, of course, sincere with you, of course, understanding, empathetic, but at the same time, truthful with you. Like, okay, motivating you. Like, oh, you said you were going to do that thing. How far? Like, what's up? When are you going to do it? How far? When are you going to do it? Have you done it? Just following up with you. Basically, you need those people in your life to follow up with you. And okay, I feel like we're all set. The lashes. So like those are my 4 tips on procrastination, the causes of procrastination and how you can go about solving them. I talked on laziness, I talked on lack of interest, I talked on distraction, and I talked on accountability. I do recommend that you guys try those tips for anyone that is fighting with procrastination, which is like a lot of people, right? Like, you just don't want to do anything that's gonna push you out of your comfort zone. So like, yeah. Okay guys, I am so done and I feel so good. Like it turned out well. I'm so proud of myself. Okay, thank you so much for watching, beautiful people. I appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial on how to get this glowy, simple, everyday kind of look. And honestly guys, all you really need is to do your eyebrows, to use a foundation and put on your so we're not done.